In this video, I'm going to teach you how to pay someone on PayPal with email. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to initiate a payment on PayPal using someone's email, and you will be able to do this through the website as I'm demonstrating here, or through the mobile app, whatever you prefer. These steps are generally the same. So what you have to do is go over to the send and request page. So if you are using a web browser on the PayPal website, it is going to be available here at the top, send and request between home and wallet. And if you are on the mobile app, you will most likely have to use the menu at the bottom of your screen. So go to send and request and then choose the send option here. Now, you will be able to input a name, username, email, or mobile number. So just type out any email that you wish to transfer to. This can be a person, a business. As long as they are registered within PayPal, you will be able to initiate this transfer. So you type out their name, and then you can choose the specific currency that this transfer will be made in. So once you input the amount, you will be able to choose what this transfer is for. So this is simply a description. It is optional, but if you tap next, you will now be able to proceed and link a card or a bank account. So the main methods to make transfers on PayPal and pay someone are going to be by using a card or a bank account. So just choose either of these options and you will be able to get it done. Sadly, I don't have any payment methods attributed to my PayPal account at the moment, but if you do, you will be able to proceed and get this process done. So you will input the amount after, of course, inputting their email, which is the focus of this video, and you will see all of the payment options available for your region. And after you assign a card or a bank account, you can initiate this transfer. They will receive the money directly on their PayPal account. Double check the email and be aware of any included fees. I hope I was able to help you on how to pay someone on PayPal with email. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.